A lot of fun. I haven't ran one lately, so I can't tell you, but I'd imagine it's still good. Especially with like a buffed clay shaper if you're doing physical golems. Shit. Yeah, like stone golem or carrion golems. That buffed clay shaper gives a fuck ton of damage. Oh. I don't want to talk about it. Tiptoe walk around it. Yo, why is this guy so fucking tanky though? I'm gonna run out of mana. All this. Why is this guy so tanky? We'll get him. I hope you guys brought your lawn chairs. Aha, there we go. Now we can start the node. Oldish, thank you so much for the raid, buddy guy. How's it going? I hope everything is well. Hope all is well with you, buddy. Slept yet? I mean, I don't. It doesn't really tell me anything because I don't know when since yet is. But in any case, thank you so much for the raid, buddy guy. Go get yourself some rest, man. Get some sleep. Again, I appreciate the raid. Thank you so much. Get yourself some rest. Get some food. Come back, hit it hard tomorrow. Man. Alright, what are we gonna do now? When the bleed stuff? I should probably get out of here and make my decision out here. I don't get bum rushed. I get res. 4 points. 1, 2, 3. No. 4. So I want to go to precise technique for leveling though. Kinda. I kinda do.